When it comes to rocking a buzz cut, most guys don't get it right. It seems like a great idea at first, but then you buzz your head, take a glance in the mirror, and realize you've made a major mistake. That's because mastering the buzz cut is an art form. It can completely transform your look, for better or for worse. If you want to learn the secrets to pulling off this hairstyle and see if it's the right fit for you, keep watching. Before we dive in, let's talk about the importance of facial hair when it comes to buzz cuts. Some beards and buzz cuts are a match made in heaven, while others just don't mesh. As we've discussed in our video on aesthetic facial hair, it's all about finding the right balance. A buzz cut is a clean and sleek hairstyle, so you want to offset it with some facial hair, whether it's a full beard, stubble, or a goatee. Now let's talk about the different types of buzz cuts. A uniform buzz cut can look a bit bland, whereas a buzz cut fade adds some much needed contrast. The fade gives your hair a slightly longer length on top, which creates a more visually appealing look. But before you take the plunge and get a buzz cut, you need to consider whether it'll suit your face shape. This hairstyle will accentuate all of your facial features, so if you have a strong jawline, it'll be even more prominent. On the other hand, if you have a larger nose or a rounder face, a buzz cut might not be the most flattering choice. You need to take these factors into account before making the cut. One of the biggest misconceptions about buzz cuts is that they're boring, but that's just not true. A buzz cut can be a bold and stylish choice, especially when paired with the right accessories. For example, if you wear a bold watch or a statement piece of jewelry, it'll really stand out against your clean-cut hair. A buzz cut elevates your entire look, so make sure you're not holding back in other areas. Finally, let's talk about taking your buzz cut to the next level with some bold color. A dyed buzz cut can be a game changer, but it's not for everyone. You need to have the right vibe and aesthetic to pull it off, or else you'll end up looking like a clown. But if you're feeling adventurous and want to try something new, go for it. A buzz cut with a bold color can be a real head turner. With that said, I hope you enjoyed our video on how to rock a buzz cut. Make sure to subscribe for more style tips and tricks.